Hello everyone! It's time for another DIY upcycling project. In this video, I'm transforming a retro anime figure into a colorful keychain for my new bag. It's a really simple project and a great way to give an old figure a second life. This way I can still enjoy it and carry it with me, and the chibi style makes it perfect for a bag charm. Can you tell that it's Marie from Evangelion? Before we fully start, the head on this figure is removable, which is kinda annoying because one day she might lose her head or something. So I'm using super glue to secure it in place for good. Now let's begin. Before drilling the hole so that it can be used as a keychain, I mark the spot to make sure it's centered. A mini handheld drill is more than powerful enough to do the job, and once the hole is drilled, the messiest part is basically done. Up next, I add some super glue inside the hole that I created so that the eye pin can stick securely. I have many colorful eye pins, but let's go for red since it matches Marie's red glasses. After learning that super glue isn't always completely reliable based on past experiments, I also reinforced the outside with a little bit of UV resin. UV resin can be quite durable and small amounts cure very quickly. Here it only takes about 20 seconds using this handheld UV light. And now I'm going for a lanyard to give the keychain a bit more texture. I keep a whole stash of these types of lanyards because I love making my own keychains, and you definitely can go without them. They're handy and really pop out in color. Here's my goodie box of keychain accessories. Let's see what we can find for Marie. I'm going for something colorful, and I ended up choosing this simple red keychain ring. For my favorite part in crafting this keychain, it's choosing some amazing charms. The more, the merrier. I went through my charm collection here and there and picked a few pieces that matched the character and the overall style I was going for. Surprisingly, even with all these decorations, the keychain won't actually be very heavy in the end, maybe just a little cluttered. The important thing is choosing elements that complement each other. Whenever I look for tools for my crafting corner, my first thought is always, is it available in pink? For the next step, we're going to need these mini pink pliers. To connect everything together, we need jump rings. You really can't do much without them. Jump rings are metal loops that open and close, and they're perfect for attaching everything from charms to chains and much more. I do actually have some red colored ones, but when I tried closing them with my pliers, the paint started coming off. So for this project, I'm just going to avoid the hassle and stick with the regular ones. Let's add something different again. I feel like this acrylic link chain will help the figure stand out even more with its translucent pastel colors. Speaking of translucent pieces, I also have a bunch of colorful star charms, and it would look really nice to use a green one that complements Marie's outfit. I'm using a lobster clasp so it's easier to attach. Here I have all my adorable charm pieces ready. I also have these really cute heart-shaped jump rings, and of course we are going to go for the red colored ones. I just have to be careful not to use too much force with the pliers, otherwise the paint can get scraped off, which wouldn't look very nice. These little heart shapes will make the final look even cuter. Before attaching all the charms, I first lay them out to see what the best order would be on this link chain. I attached the final charms behind the scenes because, yep, that took such a long time. I was trying to be really careful not to scrape the paint off those jump rings with my pliers, and it took a while. In the end, everything worked out, and here's the final result, my new bag keychain. I'm really happy with how it turned out. The figure feels much more unique now, and the added deco items make it look like a custom accessory rather than just an old figure hiding away in a drawer until the end of times. If you enjoyed this little craft project I had going on, feel free to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY.